A is a fundamental stepping stone. And I think the bigger question is why FEUIA? And many of us would complain about the screening process, the quizzes, the requirements to pass. But I think one of the main reasons why I myself and many others chose IA is the quality of education that we would get here, even as IA internal auditors, not just as accountants, that we would graduate as competent contributors in our society.
Respected support person for most kasi FEU lang ang nagpa-pioneer ng education for future internal auditors. Then, nandun din yung integrity kasi hindi lang siya basta-bastang course. Kailangan nandun yung integridad sa trabaho, hindi lang para sa sarili, kundi iniisip rin yung good of all.
To be a CPA lawyer and CPA din of course. Then since ang school program ng internal auditing is leading to accountancy, magiging 2-year degree holder ka. So maganda tong internal auditing leading to accountancy para sa ibang estudyante. And for the near future.
Siguro syempre yung mga tao talagang professional. Syempre, internal auditing more on numbers lang. So, magaling magkalkula. Hindi lang sa mga number. Pati na rin siguro sa mga bagay-bagay. Budget, yun. Impression sa kanya ng mga tao, mahirap na course. Kaya, sa tingin ko, meron ditong challenge na kailangan mong pakita na responsable estudyante ka para matapos mo yung course na yun.